Ladies and gentlemen, now on the tee box, forever, from Vero Beach, Florida, Jim and Alicia Swanson.
All right. Cheers. Congratulations, brother.
Looking around this room today and over yesterday, whoever was here yesterday, we all had a blast. It was amazing. We had a great time. But you guys are truly blessed to have this group of people around you. You are. I mean, this is a crazy good group of people. It's amazing. You guys are blessed. Blessed. We are all so happy for you today. We love you both very much. Jim, thank you for being my best friend. Thank you for having my back always. I love you, man. Alicia, thank you for being my friend. Thank you. That means the world to me. Thank you for allowing your family to get to know me and bring me in and say, hey, let's have some fun and enjoy this. I cannot wait to spend our future, I say our future, together. This is going to be amazing. This is going to be an absolutely amazing ride. I love you both.
Needless to say, I was a little nervous about this. I want you happy. Guess what? Jim makes you happy. I want you guys to leave the past behind and go forward. And go forward for a very long time. We're here. We're behind you guys. We wouldn't be here if we weren't. Needless to say, I know someone's been waiting to say Uncle Jim for a very long time.
Yes!
And yes, you have made your way into the heart of many in this family. And I think it's because you're a good guy. I think you love life. I think you love to love. And I think you love Alicia. I believe it. I love you guys. To the bride and groom. God bless you.
Do you, James Carl Swanson, take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Do you, Alicia Helene Brenz, take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
By the power vested in me in the state of Florida, in front of all these witnesses, and the love of God's grace before you, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss the bride. Here is Mr. and Mrs. Swanson.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just wanna love